Hi friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Teacher Time 1. So today I am going to publish the Android 9.0 64-bit Gltools pre-installed GFs and EdXposed installed ROM on my YouTube channel. As you already know, I have published the GFs and Gltools installed version of this ROM. But this ROM is very different from that already published one, because of I have modified everything on this ROM including the system apps, and I have removed the unnecessary system apps from the ROM, and I have remodified this ROM to work smoothly on any Android device. But you need to have at least 3 GB or 4 GB RAM on your device to run this ROM smoothly on your device. So you can refer to my previous tutorial from the given link in the description of this video to download and install this ROM on your device, and everything that you want to know about this ROM is included in the previous tutorial that I have created. And also this ROM has a password. You need to gather that password also from the watching previous tutorial. So with this I am going to wind up this video. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.